I live in a community here in Naples called Blue Heron, and the current market activity here is really interesting. Based on what I'm seeing right now, there are several condos on the market. Prices are generally ranging from the mid 200s up to around $300,000. Most of these are two-bedroom, two-bath units with differences in square footage, condition, and views. But here's what stands out. Some properties have gone pending or sold, while others have been on the market for 100, 200, even 300 plus days. Every property is different, but based on current activity, it appears that pricing, condition, and overall marketing approach can influence how quickly a property moves. For buyers, longer time on market may create opportunities depending on terms. For sellers, it highlights how important initial positioning can be. This is why understanding what's happening at the community level can be so important when making a decision. If you like more information about available condos in Blue Heron or similar communities, feel free to reach out.